At Evenprint, every project begins long before printing. It begins with a reflection. Our technical teams come together to analyze, exchange, and anticipate. Plans, dimensions, installation environments, real-world conditions. Then comes design. Visuals are crafted to naturally integrate into their surroundings. Formats, proportions, readability, long-distance impact. Every design is refined with precision until the right balance between aesthetics, clarity, and performance is achieved. Then, printing begins. At the heart of our workshops, equipped with high-end, latest-generation technologies, materials take shape. Large panels, textiles, rigid substrates. Each print meets the highest quality standards, delivering results that are accurate, durable, and flawlessly executed. The process continues with hands-on craftsmanship. Assembling, stretching, adjusting, trimming. Human expertise plays a vital role, complementing advanced technology to ensure clean, solid, and impeccable finishes. Before delivery, every element undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Colors, dimensions, finishes, compliance. Nothing is left to chance. Every detail matters because every project represents our client's image. The materials are then carefully prepared. Protected, organized, and loaded. They travel across cities, sites, and environments, always with reliability, precision, and respect for deadlines. Finally, installation. On-site, where technical expertise meets real-world spaces. Our teams deploy, secure, and fine-tune each element until everything is exactly where it belongs. At that moment, the project comes to life. The message becomes visible. The impact is immediate. Evenprint, from concept to installation. We support every project with method, precision, and passion. Because beyond printing, we create lasting visual experiences.